In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix LastPass app not working. So if LastPass application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for LastPass. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for LastPass password manager and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After the app is updated, all the bugs will be fixed and the application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for LastPass and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of LastPass. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of this application will be cleared. Now the application should start working. If the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the app and install it again. After you do that, the application will start working. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So what you can do is simply restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After that, your problem will be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to solve your problem. So that is how you fix LastPass app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.